The Monologue of a Solo Traveler. The moment I got off the airplane, the aroma of sunflowers captured my attention. Passing through the checkpoints and the security protocols, I was about to embark on a memorable journey. On platform 3, der alte Dampfzug waited, stretching its nose long and wide. A familiar voice echoed over the loudspeakers. Der Zug fährt in 2 Minuten ab. And joy and excitement raged within me. As I disembarked the vintage train, the grandeur of the prairie caught my eye. Die Region Allgäu was my first stop. Where rolling hills met cheerful voices, with lovely children running around. Ich möchte mit ihnen spazieren gehen. Mein nächster Halt war die Goldschmiedeschule. Standing just next to the famous Schmuckmuseum. From jewelry to humanity. I explored how life's aesthetics bring people together. Driving along the crystal clear coastline, I experienced the freedom of a solo traveler. With friendly chatter of strangers I met, and the majestic scenery along the way. My journey wove together tears and laughter, and gave me the courage to greet the unknown. This is the end of this poetry recitation video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates about language learning tips and new tutorials. See you next time. Auf Wiedersehen.